Kota, previously known as Kota, is a city located in the southeast of northern Indian state of Rajasthan. It is located about 240 kilometers south of the state capital, Jaipur, situated on the banks of Chambal River. With a population of over 1.2 million, it is the third most populous city of Rajasthan after Jaipur and Jodhpur, 46th most populous city of India and 53rd most populous urban agglomeration of India. It serves as the administrative headquarters for Kota district and Kota division. Kota is a major coaching hub of the country for competitive examination preparations and has a number of engineering and medical coaching institutes. The city of Kota was once the part of the erstwhile Rajput kingdom of Bundi. It became a separate princely state in the 17th century. Apart from the several monuments that reflect the glory of the town, Kota is also known for its palaces and gardens. Mahesh Vijay of Bharatiya Janata Party was the last mayor of Kota. In 2013, Kota was ranked the second most livable city in the state and 41st in the country among 50 cities. The city was also included among 98 Indian cities for Smart Cities mission initiated by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2015 and was listed at 67th place after results of first round were released, following which top 20 cities were further selected for funding in the immediate financial year. It is popular among the youth of India for its coaching institutes for engineering and medical entrance examinations. Many students come to Kota to prepare for the IIT-JEE, NEET and many other competitive exams. The history of the city dates back to the 12th century CE, when Rao Deva, a Chauhan Rajput chieftain belonging to the Hadar clan, conquered the territory and founded Bundi and Hadoti. Later, in the early 17th century, during the reign of the Mughal Emperor Jahangir, the ruler of Bundi, Rao Ratan Singh, gave the smaller principality of Kota to his son, Madho Singh. Since then, Kota became a hallmark of the Rajput gallantry and culture. The independent state of Kota became a reality in 1631 when Rao Madho Singh, the second son of Rao Ratan was made the ruler by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. Soon Kota outgrew its parent state to become bigger in area, richer in revenue and more powerful. Maharav Bhim Singh played a pivotal role in Kota's history, having held a mansab of 5,000 and being the first in his dynasty to have the title of Maharav. Zalim Singh, a diplomat and statesman, emerged as another prominent figure of the state in the 18th century. Although initially being a general of Kota's army, he rose to the regent of the kingdom after the king died, leaving a minor on the throne. He remained a direct administrator of the state. In 1817, a treaty of friendship was signed between him and the British on his condition of carving out part from the existing state for his descendants, resulting in Jhalawar coming into existence in 1838. During the colonial period, firebrand social activist Guru Radhakishan organized the masses against the policies of the government. He left Kota after local administration came to know about the arrest warrant issued against him for his participation in Indian independence activities. Kota became independent in 1579. After Bundi state in Hadoti region had become weak, then Kota ruled the territory which now is Kota district and Baran district. Kota is located along the banks of the Chambal River in the southern part of Rajasthan. It is the third largest city of Rajasthan after Jaipur and Jodhpur. The cartographic coordinates are 25 degrees 11 and 75 degrees 50 A, 25.18 degrees north, 75.83 degrees east, 25.18, 75.83. It covers an area of 221.36 square kilometers. It has an average elevation of 271 meters. The district is bound on the north and northwest by Savai Madhopur, Tonk and Bundi districts. The Chambal River separates these districts from Kota district, forming the natural boundary. The city of Kota is situated at the center of the southeastern region of Rajasthan, a region very widely known as Hadoti, the land of the Hadars. Kota lies along the banks of the Chambal River on a high sloping tableland forming a part of the Malwa Plateau. The general slope of the city is towards the north. The comparatively rocky, barren, and elevated land in the southern part of the city descends towards a plain agricultural land in the north. The Mukundara Hills run from southeast to northwest axis of the town. Kota has fertile land and greenery with irrigation facilities through canals. The two main canals, called as Left Main Canal and Right Main Canal, originate from the reservoir created by Kota Barrage. The tributaries of these canals make up a network in the city and surrounding areas of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh and supplements the irrigation of these areas. Kota has a semi-arid climate. This can be considered the best time to visit Kota because of intense heat in the summer. The average annual rainfall in the Kota district is 660.6 mm. Most of the rainfall